Hey guys, from MudMowers. Today we're converting that SSI box into that ignition setup. Enjoy! Do a little test. Hook the power up. It's nothing big, but it should ignite some fuel just fine. So we'll go ahead and hook it up on the Suburban. And there we go. HEA box is all undone. Take that off and take that off. Junk. No, just kidding. I'm actually going to keep this because it still works. I actually got this manual or an article on how to fix one of these. You can like soak it in some boiling water with some stuff, get all this molding off, and you can fix the diode or whatever transistor or whatever went bad in there. Put it back on. And the reason for this dongle is because that was off like a 73 and this is a 75. So when I did the swap, when my original one went bad, I did a different connection, so I just had to use that. So there it all is. A bracket for testing it out. There's the first one, and then there's the second one down there. This one's a little bit higher. That one, I'm not sure why you need two, but try to get that there. I can't really get down in there, but barely enough room for it to pass around. I just need to mount that and that. So I got everything kind of mounted, I guess you could say. There's the bracket I made just to mount the sensor. You can kind of see, rotate it back. There's one pin and there's the other pin. Like I said, that pin's taller than that pin, so the second pin doesn't do anything. Well, with this setup that I'm running. But it goes by that sensor. There's the coil. I literally just tapped it into these fins because it slid in those fins. And then I zip tied the CDI box down. Did a couple of cuttings and trimmings of what I didn't need. Grounded some stuff here. Cut off some kill wires because really all you need is power going to it, which I tried hooking power up to where that white wire is, which goes through this power wire, and he has one of the keys off, no power. When I turn it on, it's got power. The problem is that connection is also hooked up to this rectifier or the charging system, so whenever the engine is running, it's producing power, and when I shut this off, there's still power going to this, so it's still powering that. So for now, I'm just going to rip this off, hook it up to that whenever I need it, unhook it. But I might find a way to do it with this thing here. Try to get it out. I might try to find a way to cut the power off with this thing, which is about 50 AC from this generator under there. I mean, one of these wires has to ground and unground it so it can spoke and not spoke. So I can probably find some way to do some stuff in there, I don't know. But I'll figure out something sometime. Anyways, I'm going to get this cover mounted back on, and then we'll go test it out. See how nice this thing starts too. Hook that up. And pretty much immediately starts right up. And we're off. I guess that would explain why it stopped running. I'll go get some fuel and we'll keep on chugging along. Definitely runs pretty nice. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video about MudMowers. Glad we got the tecumseh running again. I do have that other ST16 I'm working on, the restore project. I'll definitely be converting to that style of ignition. But until next time, stay tuned for more.